wondered how you can make a really premium looking website with just help of AI? Well, let me show you how you can make a website just like this with the help of AI in just 5 to 10 minutes. So let's get started. Head over to lovable.dev. This is a website which helps you make web apps with just a single prompt, and you can edit any further. So you just have to paste a prompt and it will make a beautiful site as you want. So I'll just paste a prompt I already prepared. Okay, so it contains like create a beautiful, stunning and wife-friendly landing page and website for a cafe. Finalize the name randomly because I can't remember a name for a cafe. Make a one-page website with sections like hero section, about section, history of the cafe, menu, reservation, footer. Add beautiful animations from GSAP. I guess it's the best one out here for free, and make sure to use relevant images everywhere required. So let's just go with it. You can see it's creating a beautiful website. I'm just thinking right now and add some. So I'll meet you after the website is created. Okay, so site is made successfully. The website was not a bit good, but I managed to make it beautiful and it created a name like Espresso. So yeah, let's check how it looks. Here you go. This is the this alone made it look really premium. And it's not it. You can like edit the website like however you want. So let's suppose yeah, just to give a final touch, which I gave almost to my client's website, which is like giving it a prompt to add a loading screen before starting the actual website. So the prompt should be like create a loading screen. Sorry, my typing is a bit slow. Create a loading screen while maintaining the same cafe vibe with a blurry background of the hero section picture and with the name of the cafe, which fades in with an animation, and a loading bar loads from 1% to 100% and the website starts. Make sure to use ASAP for all the animations. Let's check how it goes. So it will take some time, but it will create a really great result. So the message came up, I'll create a beautiful loading screen with a hero image and cafe name animation and loading bar using GSAP. Yeah, there you go. And it's looking amazing, man. Yeah. So instead of the name, we can add a logo here. So it would become really premium, and we can add online ordering and stuff however you want. And we can add one more chat assistant here, so you can order, get info about the menu, and yeah, that's it. This is how you can create a beautiful, stunning website on Lovable with AI, and it's just really simple. Anyone can make it. You just need to give instructions to the AI correctly. So yeah, let's meet on another video. Till then, peace out.